Good morning, grade 1. Our lesson today about one more and one less. Here, if you want to make one more, okay, here 4 is 1 more than 3. 4 is 1 more than 3. If you open 4 fingers, okay, 4 is 1 more than 3. More than like after. More than like after. If I ask you what is the number after 3, the number after 3 is 4. So 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay, here I have 4 and here 4 is 1 more than 3. If I ask you what is the number 1 more than 3, open finger. Okay, 1 more than, so open one finger. Okay, here I have 3 fingers. I ask you about what is the number 1 more than 3, so open one finger. So what is this number? 4. So 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay, here read the title. Circle the group that has 1 more than the first one. Okay, let's count here how many ducks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I ask you here about what is the number 1 more than 3. Open 3. Okay, what is the number 1 more than 3? Like what is the number after 3? What is the number after 3 or 1 more than 3? 4. I open one finger. So the number that 1 more than 3 is number 4. Make a circle. Okay, here you have 1. Okay, count. I have here 1. What is the number 1 more than 1? Open one finger and open another one. Open one finger. If I ask you about 1 more, open 1. How many fingers? 2. So what is the number 1 more than 1? 2. Make a circle. And here I have 2 rabbits. Okay, what is the number 1 more than 2? What is the number after 2? 3. Yes, so make a circle around 3. This is about 1 more. Okay, and what about 1 less? What about 1 less? 1 less like just before. 1 less like just before. Okay, here 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Okay, if I ask you what is the number 1 less than 5? Close finger. Close finger. If I ask you about less, close finger. Okay, now how many fingers with you? 4. So 4 is less than 5. Okay. Here's the title. Circle the group that has 1 less than the first one. Okay, here I have 3 cats. What is the number less than 3? 2. Yes, open 3 fingers and close 1. How many fingers are left? 2. So make a circle around 2. And here I have 2 giraffes. Okay, what is the number 1 less than 2? Open 2 and close 1 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1. So 1 is 1 less than 2. Okay, I have here 4 rabbits. What is the number 1 less than 4? Open 4 and close 1. How many fingers are left? 3. So make a circle around 3. Okay, let's make this question. Here, like the pattern. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Here I make 1 more. 1 more. What is the number? 1 more 5, 6. And what is the number? 1 more 6, 7. What is the number? 1 more 7. Let's complete. 1 more 7 is 8. It's like count forward. Okay, 1 more like count forward. 1 more like count forward. Okay, and 1 less like count backward. 1 less like count backward. Okay, here I count forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and here what is the number 1 more than 8? 9. Okay, now I will make count backwards. I use 1 less. Okay, if you use 1 less, you like count backwards. Okay, here, what is the number? 1 less 7? 6. 1 less 6? 5. 1 less 5? 1 less 5? 4. And 1 less 4? 3. And it's like before. Okay, here I have here 3. And I want 2 numbers. 1 less and 2 numbers, 1 more. Okay, let's start with 1 less. What is the number? 1 less 3? 2. And 1 less 2? 1. Okay, it's like count backward. Okay, here, 1 more. 1 more 3? 4. And 1 more 4? 5. Okay, another one. Here, 1 less 8? 7. And 1 less 7? 6. Okay, here, 1 more. 1 more 8? 9. And 1 more 9? 10. Yes. Okay. Now let's make just after and just before. Okay, it's another type of this lesson. Okay, here, read the title. Let's zoom. Okay, here, write the number that comes just after. Okay, here, what is the number come just after 2? 3. And here, what is the number that comes just after 8? 9. Comes just after 4? 5. And comes just after 5? 6. What is the number just after 1? If you don't make it, open one finger. Okay, just after, like 1 more. Okay, so if you don't know the answer, here, raise 1 finger. I have number 1, so raise 1 finger. And what is the number comes just after 1? Open another 1. How many fingers? 2, so the number is 2. Okay, here, what is the number that comes just after 7? If you don't know the answer, make what? Open 7 fingers. Okay, and here I want the number that comes just after, so open another finger. How many fingers? 8. So the answer is 8. It's like count forward. We said before. 1 more. And just after, like count forward. It's the same. Okay? Here, just after 6, 7. And just after 3, 4. Just after 9, 10. Okay? Now, write the number that comes just before. Before, don't forget, like count backward and like 1 less. Okay? Here, what are the numbers that just before 2? 1. Okay? If you don't know the answer, make what here? Open 8. Open 8. And if I ask you about just before, 1 less or count backward, close finger. So open 8 and close 1 finger. How many fingers are left? 7. So the answer is 7. Okay, just before 6, open 6 and close 1 finger. How many fingers are left? 5. Okay, just before 5, 4. Just before 1, 0. Just before 7, 6. Just before 4, open 4 fingers and close 1. How many fingers are left? 3. Yes. Just before 5, 4. And just before 3, 2. This is about our lesson today. Thank you and bye.